If manalo siya, abot pa ng 400,000 ang premyo niya. So talagang 100,000 ang pinaglalabanan dito sa one rack na ito. Good luck to both players. And Anton to break. Wow, and what a break by Anton. 2 balls on the break. Sorry, 1 ball on the break. Yung side 8 ball. At planto na ito for Anton. What a time. For a break, for the break to so ito si Anton. He needs to bring his cue ball up towards the tree. Talagang magandang laban. Deserve talaga na itong dalawa. Now he needs to be careful. The 6 to the 7, because kita nyo naman yung 9 nandito sa baba. Yan na lang yung talagang challenge. If maganda ang maging preparasyon niya from the 6 to the 7, and that would be all she wrote. He needs to have an angle. Wag lang dumiretso. Meron pa siyang angulo, so he can punch this 6 towards the corner and bring the cue ball towards the left of the 7. Or he can lure forward. Depende. Pero he punched it. Nice shot there. Now draw shot. Titingnan ni Anton, the draw should pass the side pocket. Going down the 9. I think he's rolling forward. Oh, bitin yan. Nabitin pa. So Anton played safety instead of him finishing the rack. Nabitin pa. So Carlo probably will take this bank. That's what he's looking at if it is on. Do or die. Carlo went for the bank, missed it. Did he leave it for Anton? Oh! He did not leave it easy for Anton. So Anton will definitely bank this towards the side, cross bank. Ano na lang. He went for the back. He went for the back. Oh! And naiwan yung 9 towards the side. So Carlo takes the 10. And Carlo Biado won. Grabe, napahina yung tira ni Anton. Yun na lang sana. What a match we have. Yun.